Alright, welcome to the new video. In this video I have a earning application from where you can earn money through PayPal and everything. So you can even earn in Esewa but indirectly. To download this application you just need to go in Play Store, but before that, in this application you just need to do simple tasks such as spinning wheel and scratching card and referring friend, etc. So the name of this application is Rewardly. You can easily get this application in Play Store or App Store. So after opening this app you will get this type of interface where there is written earn cards. Just click on that arrow button 4 times and yeah, you will be ready to sign up. So click on the start position. So before that you just need to read that privacy policy and everything. Don't be shocked that you are logged in automatically, but you need to complete your profile. If you complete your profile you will get 100 points. So there is option called complete profile. You just need to give your full name. So I'm going to give my full name. So I'm male and my age is not like this and I'm not a manager. So done. I have received 100 coins. Now my coins is 130 and there is option called Fiverr reward, and from this reward you just need to click on this reward and yeah, you will get this type of interface where you can earn up to 500 points, and you just need to download those applications and play, or you just need to play quizzes and everything. So get back and you will see this type of so you will find add them rewards. Click on the add them rewards and you just need to download this NordVPN and everything, from where you can get points. And the highest point giving offer is Looney Tunes, which is of 970 coins. So there is option called surveys. So if you click on the surveys you just need to give information, or you just need to answer those questions, and yeah, you will get 425 points. So there are a lot of applications from where if you download this application you will get the amount of points that is written there. So there is option called reward. If you click on the reward you will get this type of interface where it's just like the reward history, where there is the history of profile completion, and I got 100 points from that and welcome points is 30. So there is option called settings, and if you click on settings option there is option called invite friends, or you just need to go come in home and you will see invite friends. So invite friends, click on that copy option and send to your friends and you will earn 100 coins. So in order to withdraw from this application you just need to click on payout option and you can only withdraw in PayPal. So to earn $10 you just need to earn 10 coins. I guess it's 10,000 coins, but it's written in 10.000, so it might be 10 coins or it might be 10,000 coins. So there is to earn $20 you need to earn 20 coins, and to earn $50 you need to earn 50 coins. So I guess that is 20,000 or 50,000, but it's in decimal. Then yeah, it might be 10 coins, 20 coins and 50 coins, but it also might be 10,000 coins, 20,000 coins and 50,000 coins. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.